Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here to do a flip through of this second Halloween journal that I've made for the year. I am currently moving on to Christmas journals because I've just got the Christmas bug. So I was happy to get this one done, and it's the second one for Halloween that's listed in my shop. The closure here is Sorry Silk, and the front is made from a digital kit that I purchased. I'll try to remember who it is and link it in the description below. It has 4 signatures, and I put this cool like band on the spine. Thought it was very neat and Halloweeny. This is also a digital kit here. I don't recall if it's the same person or somebody different. I'll try to remember to link them both below. Oop. There's a belly band and a cute tag there. Just some like painty papers that I put a pattern on. And that folds out. This is a vintage page from a book, or I should say a page from a vintage book. And I did some sewing, the usual stuff that I do in all of my journals. Did that cute tree. I think there's a couple of them in here. Page from the vintage book and a library card. I hope everybody is doing well out there, staying healthy. My daughter had COVID-19 about a month ago, maybe a little longer. Time is flying this year. And she managed okay. She did well. She works in the COVID unit of the ICU, so honestly, I'm not surprised that she got it, but I'm just thankful that she got through it. Nobody else in the family has gotten sick so far. Not even her husband, actually. So that was good. I love the pages from this digital kit that I printed out. It's like a lot of browns and dark colors. It's just really awesome. Here's another card. And this is a tuck spot here with a page from a vintage antique furniture magazine. I left plenty of space to write. Put your own touches in here. Postcard. I think that's my Better Homes and Gardens like handyman binder that I have. Some tarot cards, another little tuck spot. And I've got these cute little spiders throughout it. This, I did not make this. This came in something that I purchased a while back. I thought it went well in here, so I put it in here. I made this card right there, or I guess it's a tag. You can journal on it. Journaling tag. Another belly band with a vintage book page in it. 3rd signature. There's a journaling card there. Then this is a receipt from 1908. I put it in there. I thought it was cool. That folds out. There's a recipe card and a couple of little tags you can do what you want with. This folds out. Tuck spot there. There's the center of that signature. There's another one of those cool cutout trees. This folds out for a little extra space right there. Another fold out page. Did a little bit of stenciling in here. Here is another original receipt from 1907 from Alfred Pete's Company in Boston. Oh, and here is the outside, the negative side of that tree. I thought that might look cool on a page if somebody wanted to put it on there. Here's another card with a bat on it. And the last signature. Here's another card that I made, or a tag, I should say. Tuck spot and the tarot card. One of those old message pads there, and then like an upside down pocket tuck spot. There's the center of that signature. Some Tim Holtz people. You know, they go in pretty much anything. This is a bag. You can put some stuff in it there. This page I got from somebody too in some mail that I received. This is, you could use it maybe as a frame. I left the top undone so you could slide something in there. Another journaling tag card. Top tuck spot, and then the negative side to that other tree. And just a piece of paper that I used in here. You could use to decorate a page with. These are pockets. I didn't put anything in them because I really wanted you to be able to see the inside of the covers. And that is the back. It's decoupaged to seal it. And it has these lovely corners on it. Like I said, sorry silk for the closure. All right, everybody. Take care. I'll see you on the flip side.